We bang our clubs when we're happy.
It's our music.
Your music?
Let's show her.
Sometimes I'm feeling happy, and there's lots I'd like to say. I start to speak, my knees go weak, cause the words get in the way. Life's full of happy moments, like being here with you. So ask us how we're feeling now, and this is what we do. When you can't find the words for your joy, make some noise.
Make some noise.
The beat that you repeat is your voice. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Feeling crazy, what do you do?
Make some noise. Make some noise.
Almost feels too good to be true. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Make some noise. We're noisy when we're happy, and even when we're sad, because we found that all that sound makes things not so bad.
So if we start to worry,
If something makes us frown,
we start a groove and start to move. I turn